All right, y'all, we got the car loaded. Got our tent, got our chairs, got us a blanket. It is. Welcome to a new vlog, y'all. Today is Saturday, April the 22nd. And we're on the way to get food. I made him ride with me to go get, yet again, some donuts from Lickin' Donuts. He just woke up. I've been up, I just been dozing off. Coming in, coming out, coming in, coming out. I woke up at 5:30. Just want to say hey and welcome to a new vlog. Welcome to a new day. Welcome to a new video. Those innocent eyes, that smile on your face makes it easy to trust you. If they only know the tattoo like I do. So we decided on beach day. Did we say we was going to the beach earlier? Did we not say that? Anywho, we're gonna go to the beach. And yeah, they outside now. They don't know we going to the beach. They trying to go outside to meet friends. But we definitely gonna go to the beach. I'm gonna bring my book, bring my speaker, go out there and chill. Like, just really chill on the beach and relax. The weather is amazing. Perfect day to go sit at the beach. I'm finna go get in the shower and do something with this crusty hair I got going on. Probably just wash it, like a little slight wash, because I'm really gonna deep condition it and all that tomorrow. I ain't gonna do nothing to my face. I ain't finna do brows or nothing. I'm going to the beach to relax. But I am gonna get this crust out my head. That's what we are gonna do. Alright, so this is what I've picked out. This is mine. I'm just gonna be comfortable. Like I said, I got me some little cover-up pants. I got a lot of different kind of cover-ups, but I said I just go with the cover-up pants. And then I have my one piece I'm gonna just throw on. And then I have Kendi's little set, Jacob, and Jaden's. And then I'm just gonna go on this little top right here just to cover up just a little bit more while we go into the store. Pretty sure we're gonna have to go like get them some snacks and stuff. So I'm just gonna throw this on to go in the store. And then yeah. You know what? I'm not gonna take this. I'm gonna just take my Black Girl sunscreen because it can go on my face and my body. This is so good. I need to buy some more, but I'm almost running out. This is so good. So I'm actually just gonna take this one with us, and then I need to go pick up the kids some more because they don't have any more sunscreen. So this is gonna go too. And then in my own personal bag, I'm also gonna pack these my little stickers for my calendar. My calendar do some little planning, and then my notebook, my journal, bring that as well to write in my journal because I plan on being out here a while. So this stuff is going as well. I just need to get me a couple pens or whatever to bring. All right, y'all, we got the car loaded. Got our tent, got our chairs, got us a blanket, got my bag, Jaden bag. Jake, you want to put your book bag back here? Okay, Jake said he gonna put his in the front. We just waiting on Kendi to bring her bag. It can stay back here. Everybody's stuff don't need to be in that back seat. That way y'all have room.
I want mine.
What is that? But right now, we finna get ready to go to Dollar Tree and get some snacks. And then I think Boo said we just gonna do some sub sandwiches. I'm gonna see if they want Lunchables or what. For now, it's so pretty outside. It's the perfect day for the beach. Perfect. The weather is amazing. It's not too hot. Oh, I can't wait. Possible. Probably won't get out there till like.
Guess what, guys? We're about to go
2:45. Jacob, don't go too far. It is.
Oh, it's so cold, guys. It's so cold.
It's so cold. It feels good. It feels so good. It's cold.
Try not to share no more, but it's cold.
Yeah, it is cold. It feels good. It feels really good. Y'all, I went for a little swim. It felt so good out there. Got my boo over here to cook with me.
Hey, y'all.
It's so beautiful out here. I love the beach.
Oh, here they go.
Oh, Lord. Here they go. Can't see you.
I got some of my fake ugly.
No, you ain't got nothing on your face. Whoa, I'm about to get knocked down. Y'all, we a little bit of ashy. A little bit of crusty. We're leaving the beach. We had an awesome time. My lips even ashy. Everything ashy. It was so relaxing. I wish we would have got out here earlier. Like, I was not ready to go, but it was starting to get too cool.
Oh, I'm not really ready to go.
Yeah, me
I'm
neither.
finna spend the night out here. I should have spent the night.
Put us a little tent out there on the beach.
I might spend the night. Keep watching my vlogs. You might see me spending the night out here.
And this just the ash that come from the
Wait,
water.
can we spend the night over here?
I don't think I never hit traffic like this leaving the beach. It was like the traffic was like this before we even sat down. Before we even got on the water, like got by the water and stuff, when we got here at 4 o'clock, the traffic was like this. It's 7 o'clock and the traffic's still like this. You would think it went down, but it did not. So it may be even worse.
Everybody's trying to leave.